Because your ABBIT training program is flexible and it can be done any day of the week and any time of the week and even over weekends, it helps to prioritize production. It is easier to look at what are your shifts, who is it that's supposed to attend the training, and what makes the best sense in terms of when to do the training. It is better to schedule it around your requirements and your needs and the availability of our learners than the other way around. It helps with overall attendance, obviously, and it also helps with frustrations and the rest that comes with it. It's also a good foundation having this discussion with production to make them feel included into the decision of when to schedule the training for. When you have these challenges on how to do it or how to schedule it, have a meeting with us. We've got lots of ideas and ways to make it easier for you.